Are you looking for the best drones under $50 in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drones under $50 that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Cheerwing Syma Quadcopter drone. Cheerwing Store is one of the most reliable brands when it comes to affordable and advanced drones. This drone can be used both indoors and outdoors as per your requirements. This model is an upgraded version with advanced 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. So, you can take better aerial photos as well as videos. It comes with a real-time FPV transmission which lets you check the video through smartphone app. It features different speed modes, 3D flips and 2.4 GHz remote control system. This drone is suitable for both kids and beginners to pursue their interests. It has inbuilt gravity sensor which lets you fly the drone without touching the mobile screen. Because of ABS plastic material construction and protection propeller guards, this drone is durable and can withstand tough weather conditions. Moving on at number 4, we have the Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone. Potensic is one of the good brands that offers a decent quality of drones, especially the small ones that are meant for indoor fun. The color scheme and the build quality of both the drone and remote seem to be good enough to be handled by any kid. Also, the size is pretty tiny, so flying indoors is not a big deal. On a single battery, it can fly for about 6 minutes. However, if you choose to fly it on higher speeds using the adjustable 3-speed mode, the flying time may vary. On the other hand, it is pretty agile and easy to operate. In addition, your kid won't face any issues while flying this drone because of some helping features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, and much more. Also, you get a warranty of 12 months on this product. At number 3, we have the Force One UFO 4000 LED mini drones for kids. As we have already reviewed one toy drone from Force One, this one is from the same brand but has much more to offer for a similar price. This mini drone can be a nice gift as it comes with some flashy bright LED lights in its propeller guards that anyone would love. Moreover, this one is best suitable for kids because of its durable build and beginner-friendly features like one-button lift, land, headless mode, altitude hold, and much more. In addition, it has a decent battery capacity that delivers a total of 18 minutes of flying time. Moreover, it is super stable, no matter where you fly it. In addition, it can perform some 360-degree mini flips and has 2 speed modes as well for a more joyful experience. At number 2, we have the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide Foldable Mini Nano RC Drone. Next here on the list, we have another mini drone from Holy Stone that is the Holy Stone HS190, which comes in a very compact and foldable design, which makes it suitable to carry. The whole drone becomes so compact after folding that it fits in the small compartment given on its remote. Hence, it is pretty easy to carry along with you on picnics. But, due to its small design, the battery capacity is low, and it can fly for only 5 to 7 minutes on a single charge. However, for those 5 minutes, you can make it hover on a fixed altitude and have fun with it. Apart from that, performing tricks like 360-degree circle can be easily done. In addition, it comes with all the beginner-friendly features like headless mode, one-key return, one-key takeoff, land as well. And finally at number 1, we have the Force One Scoot hand-operated drone for kids or adults. Are you looking for a toy drone that can keep your kid busy playing with? Well, this hand-controlled Force One Scoot drone will make him run around with it. As the name suggests, it does not come with any kind of remote controller. Apart from that, this small UFO kind of drone has several infrared sensors that detect your hand coming nearby and makes it move away from it. In this way, you can control it with your hand movements and play with it for almost 8 minutes. However, it takes 50 minutes to charge up again. To start flying this drone, just toss it gently in the air, and it will start hovering around you. The outer shell provides good protection to the propellers as well as to other objects in your home.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.